Hi there and welcome to DIY with Suze. This week I thought I'd bring it outside because it's such a beautiful day, and being outside in this gorgeous weather of course makes me think about gardening. I have a very small balcony, but each year I like to grow some lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, things like that. And last year I had a lot of my planters on a wooden table, and I was concerned that, with watering and moisture, that the wooden top would get ruined. So what I've decided to do this year is do a mosaic using china. So I'm really excited about this project because I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I hope you enjoy the process. Like I said, I've never done it before, so it's going to be all new for me. And stay tuned. So this is the wood table that I'm going to be doing the mosaic top on. My husband actually built this table quite a while ago, and as you can see, last year I had just painted the top. So my inspiration for the table were these tiles that I picked up at my local Goodwill. Picked them up about a year ago, and I love the colors. I love the design, the pattern, and I knew that someday I would use these in a project. I also picked up some plates that have the same colors and tones in them. Some have some interesting designs on them, and as you can see, I only paid $2 for that one. I picked up some with blues in them. That's just a plain blue. I also picked up this one that has kind of, again, same tones, same colors. This plate I absolutely love. I love all the colors, and it goes with all the colors in the tiles. This one's really quite bright and fun. And then again, this one here. And while I was at my Goodwill, I saw this bag of colored glass beads, and all the colors in this happen to go with all the colors in my tiles. So I'm going to incorporate that into my design. So in all total, when I calculated the cost for all of this cost me a total of $19. Well worth it, because it's going to be so beautiful when it's finished. table's all done and all the pieces have been laid, I'm now going to grout it. And I'm using a Poly Blend, a sanded grout, and it's in the color of linen. So I'm just going to mix this up and we'll start. I let the grout dry for about 15 to 30 minutes and then took a damp sponge and cleaned off the tiles. I had to do this several times to get all the grout off the tiles. So this is the finished product. I'm so pleased with it. It turned out so well. I hope you learned a lot and enjoyed the process.